2, 1, go!
Welcome to qualification match number 14. We'll start this one off with cubes making their way airborne and actually cones for both alliances. Fairly even score so far here in the autonomous period. We'll try to balance out these charge stations. Viking able to do it, Robototes able to do it, and your score will come out to 30 red, 27 blue. It's just offset by 1 mobility bonus across your 2 alliances now as drivers take the controls. There's Xbot running down the field for the Red Alliance, cube in their grasp, looking for just anywhere really to place this thing. They'll reach up and they'll go for the top row this time. It's good for 5 points of Alliance score, and back across the field they go. They wave on their way at Viking Robotics. Viking now turning. Cone for them this time. And they'll place it successfully, 4 or 5 points. Look at our Blue Alliance now. There's Sushi Squad. Despite perhaps a delay getting to the field, they will very quickly run across it as they place a cone up on the top row. 5 points of Alliance score, and that actually completes a link for that Blue Alliance, so that'll be 5 more points to the Alliance score and give them a, well, briefly lead there by 2 points. And now they trail by a few. Viking Robotics jumping across that charge station yet again. They got a cone this time they'd like to place, as does their Alliance partner Xbot. Up goes the cone. It's good for Ballad. Up goes another cone, and that one from Xbot falls back to the field of play, and it's going to land on the bottom row for score there. Robototes making their way across. That's your host team here in this one. For the Blue Alliance, they're waiting up for a air traffic slot to clear. They're able to find their spot, and that cone makes its way to the bottom row for 2 points of Alliance score, followed very quickly here by a cube coming in for 5 from the Sushi Squad if it can land, and it does. 7 seconds until our endgame countdown begins. Still anybody's game. Your alliance is separated by just 7 points, currently favoring the Blue Alliance. Blue robots making their way now towards the charge station. Robototes will be the first ones to start lining up here with the platform. They jump up and not quite able to engage the platform yet, but they're making room for their alliance partners. There's the Sushi Squad going up. And now can we make room for a third? It's going to be a tight squeeze. Red Alliance is working on the pretty much exact same strategy here. Viking and Xbot flanking that platform. Can they get the Iron Riders to ride on in? No, they cannot as the match comes to a close. Blue Alliance also sticking with the 2-1 strategy as well. So that'll be 20-point endgames for either of your 2 alliances. Scores are good for qualification match number 14. It's a Blue Alliance victory. Final score 124 blue, 108 red. 4 rank points for each of those Blue Alliance teams. They picked up 2 for the win. They got 5 out of the 4 requisite links there, and a whopping 32 points of charge station to score throughout the match. Now to move the Sushi Squad up into your number 2 ranked position, and your host team Robototes up into 9th. See you soon for match 15.